Okay, guys, we are downtown Nashville right now. This is a place called Pollo Campero, and I've never heard of it, but I've seen it popping up everywhere. So it's a chain, but there's a lot of them coming out in the Nashville area. I'm guessing it's either like Popeyes crossed with El Pollo Loco. I'm trying to figure it out. So let's go inside and figure it out. Okay, guys, so they have like spicy chicken sandwich, kind of like Chick-fil-A. They got nuggets like Chick-fil-A. They got fried chicken like Popeyes. They got flan like Mexican restaurants. They got cookies. They got empanadas. Wow. So much to try. I'm going to get a little variety of everything. We'll let you know how it is. Oh, and they have plantains. So we'll have to get some of those too. Looks like they're cooking a lot back there. Looks pretty good. Got some, do they have spicy chicken? And regular chicken? And they have grilled, you said?
Yeah.
They have grilled and fried, and I'm guessing spicy and regular? I don't know. We'll find out. Okay, guys, so we have got an order of plantains, and I'm kind of excited. I haven't had plantains in a long time. So Tanya's gonna try one. Go ahead and try one. And then she's never had one before. So we're gonna let her try it and see what she thinks. And you don't have to like it. It's different.
It's different.
She don't like it. All right, it's okay. It's okay, just set it down.
I mean, it's okay.
No, I'll eat the rest of it if you don't want to eat it.
Oh, I'll eat it.
Oh, see, it ain't that bad. Okay, yeah. It's not that bad, so it's edible. So anyway.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
That's a nice, it's not bad, you get used to it. It's something you probably never felt before or tasted before. But if you guys don't know what plantains are, it's kind of a banana. And that's what they're called. They're fried and they're delicious. Okay, so let's take a look at what we got. We got the fried chicken. I went with I guess that's a thigh and a leg. Then you got the breast, and we got the same thing. I got coleslaw, and you got french fries. And then what is this beautiful concoction?
It's a bowl.
Okay. All right, I know it's a bowl. Okay, how about this? What's inside the bowl, honey?
It looks like chicken, tomatoes, or some rice, some beans. Thank you.
Thank you so much. They're so sweet here.
Everything. It's just like a bowl.
Okay, you got a bunch of goodness in there.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna try the plantains first and see. Smells a little interesting. Almost like it's burnt. Almost tastes a little burnt.
You have to speak up.
Okay, almost smells a little burnt. Oh, this music's gonna kill me. They're gonna flag me totally. It's okay, it's not bad. Let's try the coleslaw really quick. Are you guessing vinegar or mayonnaise base? Interesting. Yeah, I'd say a vinegar base. I would say, but it's good. It's got a little bit of a different flavor to it. Almost like it's got a Hispanic edge to it, which is cool. All right. So let's try the chicken really quick. I don't know what got caught on my chicken here. Here we go, look. All right, here we go. Oh, that's good chicken. Oh yeah, that's good chicken. Okay, so this is the first time you ever been here?
Yes.
All right, what'd you think?
It was good.
Really?
Really good.
Okay, so would you say the chicken is better than Popeyes?
Yes.
Bojangles?
I've never had Bojangles.
I'd say it was.
Yeah.
I've been to Bojangles.
It's really good.
Popeyes is better than Bojangles, and this is better than Popeyes.
It's better than Popeyes.
Way better.
Yeah.
It was impressive, huh? The flavor. Okay, I just found out they have drive-thru. That's impressive. So you guys can just rip right in here. These are popping up. Where did we see them? Were we on a trip? Somewhere in Tennessee, but they're popping up everywhere. So I think I had 3 locations I've seen so far of this establishment. So I'm guessing it's a successful chain. and it's going to be everywhere. So it's Pollo Campero, and very impressed. The bowl that Tammy got was beautiful. The chicken that Tanya and I got was delicious. They hit it out of the ballpark, guys. They have one of the most unique batters for their chicken. And it's not like KFC, it's not like Popeyes, it's not like Chick-fil-A. It's like Pollo Campero. So anyway, you got to try it out. That's all. Show them some love. Give them a visit. Tell them you saw it on Jack on the Go, all right? I love you guys, and I give this restaurant, it gets an A. It really gets an A. I love everything you're doing. They got extra little goodies on the menu to give it that heritage feel. And very impressed. Very impressed. Having a good time. Take care. Bye-bye.